Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable photo tagging on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Click on the Protected Tweets field. Now click on Photo Tagging. Toggle the button next to Photo Tagging to turn it off. That's it, photo tagging is turned off on your Twitter account. This is how you can disable photo tagging on Twitter. Thank you for watching.